New security cameras don't need Wi-Fi or power cables thanks to 4G LTE and solar panels. Ezviz has launched several new security cameras that are designed to provide reliable surveillance of properties, homes, and other locations that are outside Wi-Fi range and require 4G LTE connectivity instead. Ezviz has announced a few additions to its security camera lineup that feature 4G LTE connectivity. These new products are called Ezviz CB8 Lite 4G and HB8 Lite 4G, EB8 Pro 4G and AB8 Pro Ranger, as well as the CB90X Dual 4G kit and HB90X Dual 4G kit. Some of these have already been available for purchase for some time. That being said, all these cameras sport dual connectivity. They can connect either to a Wi-Fi network or the 4G LTE cellular network if there's no Wi-Fi signal at the intended location. The cameras can also automatically switch between these two connections depending on signal strength. Furthermore, the Ezviz 4G security cameras are equipped with the so-called AOV technology, short for Always-On Video. This is intended to ensure that only relevant motion is recorded at a high frame rate, which should improve battery life and make continuous 24/7 monitoring without recharging possible when using a large battery and solar panel. Meanwhile, AI-powered detection of people, vehicles, and wildlife can send alerts in case intruders or potentially dangerous animals are found. 3 series with various models. Ezviz's new security cameras are divided into 3 series. The Ezviz CB8 Lite 4G and HB8 Lite 4G are primarily intended for smaller properties and homes and offer an easy setup. The CB8 Lite 4G and the HB8 Lite 4G kit support Wi-Fi 6 in addition to 4G LTE. The EB8 Pro 4G and EB8 Pro Ranger offer 4K resolution and are aimed at users who want highly detailed footage, even in poor weather conditions. Both devices also sport a solar panel for continuous monitoring. The CB90X Dual 4G kit and HB90X Dual 4G kit are part of the Dual series and feature 2 lenses for multiple viewing angles. These are designed for larger properties and offer extensive AI and connectivity features. The Ezviz CB90X Dual 4G kit is already available at some European retailers for roughly €270, while the HB90X Dual 4G kit is set to launch in February for €260. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments which one of these cameras you'd want to try out. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews.